Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. For the past several days, Filecoin was moving inside the symmetrical triangle, and now recently we have broken out the resistance of this triangle, and now we have this quite long-term resistance here at $6.36, and the price line is trying to break it out. And now if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then we can see that this $6.36 has been previously breaking as a resistance here for a few weeks, and before that it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. Therefore, we need to break out this resistance in order to continue this move to the upside. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern that has happened on this 7 day time frame chart. And you can see that after the breakout, we had a very nice rally. By the way, from this low to here, it rallied more than 338%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $11.40. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and now again it worked as a resistance. By the way, during this rally, the price line also broke out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now this previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud is working as a support. And in today's video, we will also analyze this support as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for a Ronin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup like this of the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Filecoin. And first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart in here. For the past several days, I've been showing you this symmetrical triangle. And in my previous video, I was telling you that now the movement is quite squeezed inside this triangle. Therefore, at any time it can break this triangle. And now you can see that we have broken out the resistance of the triangle. And right now it is trying to break out this long-term resistance of $6.36. By the way, if you're about to create this breakout from this triangle, then you can set your stop loss below this support, this uptrend line support of this triangle. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle, then target to the upside will be here. That will be at this next long-term resistance of $8.12. And now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $8.12 has been recently working as a resistance here in the month of January 2024. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance. And if this time the price line will be rejected by this resistance of $8.12, then it can also form a head and shoulder pattern as well. And that will be a bit critical situation because that is a bearish bias pattern. However, on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that overall the situation is really very nice because we have broken out a very massive resistance, a multi-year space resistance of this very big falling wedge pattern. And before breaking out this bigger resistance, we broke out this downtrend line resistance, then we broke out this smaller falling wedge pattern, and at the same time we also broke out the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And during this rally, we have also broken out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now this cloud is also working as its support. We have broken out the upper bands and lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now the price line is moving at upper bands support. Sometimes it is moving slightly down than upper bands, and sometimes it is moving slightly up than upper bands. However, this time you can see it is moving slightly down. Therefore, we will need to break out the upper bands once again. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this very massive breakout that is happening on this 7 days time frame chart from this very big falling wedge pattern, that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.